Hello everybody, hi, this is Dianne, Dianne's garden. We out here at the garden, see it's raining. Anyway, we out here trying to harvest a few things because the thing is we're coming, the garden is coming to a close. You know, so everything is kind of dying down and we're on our last harvest. So we got like about maybe 2.5 weeks before we'll be able, everything will be shut down.
We got 3 weeks.
We got 3 weeks. Okay, we got 3 weeks, actually 3 weeks as of today.
What's the day?
Today is the 29th.
Of what?
Natasha, go ahead and say it. Don't do that.
Ma, you've been doing really good.
It's the beach. They're looking good. They're coming up on the line. Yeah. And we're going to try to hold on. Hopefully, we're going to wait until the last minute to pull them because we're really hoping for a good bulb in them. And these turnips over here. Come on. The turnips over here. What's that thing? Yeah, these turnips over here, they're growing really nice. Yeah. Hoping for a good harvest out of them as well. So we'll see about that as well. This is coming up. It's been raining so heavily. And this here is some kales, a dinosaur kale. We're going to end up harvesting it a little bit more earlier than we normally would. But because the frost came out, it's going to basically sweeten them up and tenderize them a lot. So this is what we have to go. Next week the next time we come, we're going to end up pulling everything up. Yeah. Oh, look at the onions, honey. I got 2 leeks now.
Hold on, what?
Okay. Right here. This is leeks right here. These 2 here. These here. Those are leeks. I got 2 of them. And I got 1, 2, 3. I got four onions. Now here go one here. Here's an onion here. That's one right there. This is basically the kale. We're going to try to go ahead and harvest some of the kale. Yeah, today. So we're just going to get a little bit, try to get the best ones we can. And harvest this up because this is the last of it. Let me get my tray. Hand me that tray, sweetie. What is this here? That must have been, what's down there? Tomatoes. Okay, take that poor little tomato.
Sorry, people. It's wet and cold outside. Look at her go. Hold on, y'all. Alright, look at her go. Sorry, y'all. Alright, there we go. Trying to clean the lens. It's all blurry. Or at least a little blurry. Anything you want to say? Anything else you want to say?
It's a little windy and it's raining out here. As always, keep going, keep doing what you do. And I know if you got a garden, you'll start to come to close as well. Remember to share what you have left